desktop, or really more, prevent the clutter from ever making it to your computer or desktop, is to use the print to neat feature. Print to neat is a Windows only feature, so I'm sorry to any Mac users that are here. Print to neat is not available on Mac. However, the print to neat feature is a feature that is built into the Neat desktop application that Windows users can use. Print to Neat is great for online shopping. And, let's face it, online shopping is like, everybody's doing it now. I know I'm in my Amazon account every single week, if not every day, checking on orders and ordering new things. But I don't have to print out my order confirmation sheets and scan them in now. I don't have to go through all of that manual effort. I don't have to save my order confirmation page as a PDF file or email my order confirmation page to me or anything. I can actually just print it to Neat instead. So print to Neat actually allows you to send order confirmation pages and practically any other printable files on your computer or web browser directly to Neat. Basically, if you can print it, you can print it to Neat using this print to Neat feature. I'm on a Mac right now. I can't actually demonstrate it for you on my Mac, but I did put together a video for you guys. So we're going to watch this video of print to Neat right now together, and I'm just going to kind of narrate through kind of some of the stuff that's happening. First off, what you're going to see here is you're going to see me opening the Neat desktop application. Remember, print to Neat is a feature that you can use by downloading the Neat desktop application, which you can download from our help center. I'm going to show you how you can download that in a little bit when we get to the scanning side of this. But I'm opening the Neat desktop application. We're going to see that there are two options that I have. I can either sign into my Neat account, or I can skip signing in and choose start scanning instead. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do start scanning first, skipping login so that I can configure print to Neat. So we're going to click play here. And I promise the video quality will look better in a second. There we go. Hopefully it looks better to you guys. Next thing that I'm going to do once I've accessed the scan utility is I'm going to click scan up at the top left-hand corner of the scan utility. And then I'm going to click configure print to Neat. And that's where you can go to configure print to Neat. Once you click configure print to Neat, you're going to get this installation window. You're going to see install print to Neat. I'm seeing something a little bit different. I'm seeing repair, and that's because I've already installed the print to Neat driver when I recorded this video. But you would see install print to Neat there. Once you go through the process of installing your print to Neat drivers and configuring that, then you're ready to start printing files to Neat. So we're here in my Neat account now, and I'm actually going to demonstrate for you in this video 3 different types of files that I can print to Neat using this feature. The first is an order confirmation page. Say, for example, you just made a purchase and you get that order confirmation page. You don't have to physically print it and scan it. You can right-click and choose print, or you can click the print button up at the top right-hand corner. And then you have this new destination called Neat Virtual Printer. So that's the driver or the destination that I'm going to select. And when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and click print. We're going to see a little converting box at the bottom right-hand corner of my computer that's letting me know this file is being converted and sent to Neat. And the desktop application will pop open automatically, even if it's closed, whenever you print something to Neat. And here's my file. That easy, I was able to send that over to Neat. So that's an order confirmation page. What if you have just a PDF file on your computer? Like I have this 15-page PDF file just sitting on my computer. I can go ahead and I can click print. And I can choose my Neat virtual printer. I can even go in and make adjustments to the print settings. Like I can choose the page orientation. I can change the layout a bit. I can change which pages I want to print. And those changes will be applied to the import that goes into Neat. When I'm ready, I can click print. And again, we're going to see a little dialog box at the bottom right-hand corner letting me know those pages are being converted and sent over to Neat. And then here it is. It's going to pop up and we can see on the right, my pages are loading. All 15 pages of this PDF file are loading into my Neat desktop application. And when they're in my Neat desktop application here, I'm able to edit these files. So I'm able to crop them. I'm able to adjust the page order, delete pages. I'm able to make all sorts of edits to the images here. Lastly, what if you have like a web page? So we have this Print to Neat Windows web page that is available on our Help Center. I can right click on any web page and click print. I can choose my Neat virtual printer and I can send that web page to Neat as well. In this example, there's 3 pages that I'm sending over initially, but what I realize is that the 3rd page doesn't really have anything on it. So I'm going to edit this and I'm actually going to customize the pages that I want to print. I'm just going to choose pages 1 and 2 in this instance. And now we can see there's only 2 pages that I'm printing to Neat, and I'm going to click print. Those files are now being converted, and here they are. They're popping up in my Neat desktop application. And just those 2 pages have been sent over to my desktop application. So now all 3 files that I've printed to Neat are sitting here on the scan utility side of Neat. I can make edits and changes to them. When I'm ready, I can click save and either save my files to my computer or to Neat. Now, if you're not already logged into your Neat account, you'll need to log in real quick. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm clicking the scan button up at the top to access the scan utility and these files that I printed to Neat. I'm selecting all of them. I'm selecting save. I'm choosing a folder to save these files into, and I can even select the type of files that I'm uploading. And then I can click send. And what you'll see is that these files just take a moment to process and send. And then all 3 of these files will be sent directly to my Neat account to that business folder. So they've been sent successfully. Neat automatically opens up my business folder because that's where I sent all these files to, and we can see them processing there. It's going to finish processing in a moment here as I switch over to my needs review filter. And I'm going to sort my needs review filter here by source. Any files that you print to Neat will have the source of print to them. And then here they are. Here is my Amazon order confirmation page. And then we're also going to have my 15-page PDF file that I uploaded. This is the handout that you guys are going to receive later, so stick around for that. And then also my web page as well. So basically, anything that you can print to Neat and just send it directly into the Neat desktop application.